Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, my name is Bailee Durant, and this is my 2015 BMW M4. Today we will be installing a new cabin air filter for this car, and also got Meguiar's balm that will make this car smell much better. The cabin air filter is located underneath the glove box, and the things you'll need will be a T20 and 10mm. Those are the only two items that you should need for this install. Now, my current cabin air filter, I don't know how old it is. So the vehicle has 39,000 miles on it. I got it when it had 21,000 miles on it, and I've never done it. I don't think the person before me has done it. Because of all the tire shredding, it really does reek. Every time I put on the AC or heater, it puts out this smell. And I actually got rid of it about 6 months ago using one of those Meguiar's bombs. Well, guess what? It's back, and I'm kind of terrified to see how bad this thing looks. First bolt is right here. Second bolt is right here. Next, go ahead and remove this plastic. It is 3 clamps. Be sure to unplug it here. You now have to pull off any other items that you may have. In my case, I have aftermarket lighting installed. Pull this out of the way. There's 2 bolts. Tab is pretty simple. You just pull it towards you and pull down. Oh, that's nasty. That's nasty. See, this one could be worse, but it's not the best. So if you open it up, you see all that dirt? Nasty, huh? It's every single one. This needed to go. In the bottom of here, there's an arrow. That arrow points towards your engine bay, your firewall, so that when you put it in there, make sure the arrow's on the bottom and it faces towards your engine. That's the best way to put it. This is the new filter. The new filter I did purchase out at O'Reilly's. I guess you could go online and order an OEM one, but I figured since this is OEM material, what's the difference, right? All right. It's literally that easy. The only hard part about it is being on your knees. And a thing you could do is definitely put pads on, or you could use your floor mat. I chose not to because I'd rather just suck it up and not get this dirtier than it already got. The next thing you need to do is go ahead and start your car. This is for this. So basically what you're going to do is go ahead and put this at cooler temperature. I'm going to do 70 degrees, and then you turn it on max. And go ahead and make sure your air is circulating. You're basically going to open this up. When you push this down, it will jam, so we need to get out quick. So it's going. Close the door. We are now going to let that run for 15 minutes. We'll be right back. It's going to smell super fresh.